Property investors, if you're planning to sell your investment property or buy one, please make sure to watch this video to the end. Our federal government has recently made important change to the exemption of capital gain tax, increasing it from 50% to 67%. So starting June 25th, 2024, the way the capital gain exemption is being calculated is changing. If you're an individual and if you sell your investment property and then you make a profit of up to $250,000, you will still be exempt for up to 50% of your profit. So, however, if you make a profit of over $250,000, then you will be taxed at 67%. Only for the portion of beyond $250,000, you will be taxed at 67%. If you're a corporation, then there is a whole lot of change for corporations and trustees. Because for corporations, there is no exemption of $250,000. Any amount they make profit, they will be taxed at 67%. If you have any question, please drop them in the comments below.